Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine. Let's start today's class. So, student, please take out your grammar guide, okay? And take out this page number 1. And today's your topic is singular and plural nouns. Singular means one, single, one. Plural, many. So now let's read this page. One and many. So student, there is a rule. When we convert one to many, so we add s or es in the end of the word to make it many. Look at each picture what you see. How many are there? So we add s most naming words to change them into plural naming words. Now look at this picture. Here is a one chair. So a chair. Here are how many chairs are here? Two chairs. So we write down chair, chairs. So we add s in the end of the words to make it plural. So chair is singular, chairs plural. Next one, a girl. Girl is singular. Here are three girls and girls are plural. Girl, girls. We add s in the end of the girl to make it plural. Girl, girls. Now look at this picture. Here is a dog. Here are many dogs. Dog, dogs. We add s in the end of the dog to make it plural. Dog, dogs. I hope it is clear to you, students. Next, where we add es. Now let's look at this. We don't add s to the naming words that end with these ch, sh, s, s or x to change them into plural naming words. Instead, we add s. We not use s in the end of where these words came in the end of the word ch, sh, sh, s. For example, here are look at these words. A peach. How many peach are here? A peach. Here are many peaches. So we add es. Why we add es? Because there is a ch letter in the end of the peach. So here are many peaches. One toothbrush. Three toothbrushes. So we add s in to make it es to make it plural. Why we add es? Because here the word is end with sh. Next one glass. Many glasses. So here we add es to make it plural. Why? Because there is ss in the end of the word. One glass, many glasses. One bus, two buses. So here we add es. Why? Because the word end with s letter. So we add es in the end of the word to make it plural. Next one, fox. Many foxes. We add es in the end of the word to make it plural. Fox. Why? Because there is x in the end of the word. So we add es to make it plural. I hope it is clear to you, students. So we add s or es to the words in the end of o to change them into plural naming words. When there is a o letter in the end of the word, so we add s or es both. For example, here is a tomato, two tomatoes. Here the letter is o here. We add es to make it plural. Here a photo, many photos. Here is o in the end of the word. So to make it plural, we add here s. Here with the tomatoes, here es. When there is a tomatoes, potatoes, mango, in these kind of words we add es in the end of the word. So I hope students it is clear to you. Now let's do our worksheet. So please take out your page number 2. Let's start this worksheet. There is question 1. Sort the words into two boxes, singular one and plural many. So you have to do this question in your notebook. You have to make two columns. You have to write down one side singular and one side plural. Sort the words from this box and write down into singular side. Which word is singular, you have to write down the singular side. Which is plural, so you have to write down the plural side. Animals is singular. Horses plural. Foxes plural. Book singular. Spoon singular. Dishes plural. Pillow singular. Bananas plural. Potatoes plural. Tomato singular. Buffaloes plural. Kid singular. Watches plural. Teachers plural. Car singular. So you have to write down these singular and plural in your notebook. Which words are singular, so you have to write down the singular column, and which are the plural, you have to write down the plural column. I hope question 1 is clear to you. There is question 2. Add s or es to the word to show that there are many. Okay, so you have to make it many by adding s or es. So you have to do this question in your notebook also. Apples, we add s in the end of the apple. Apples. Girls, we add s. Here apples. Girls. Fishes, here is a sh, we add es in the end. Box, here is x in the end, so we add es. Boxes. Cows, single s. Uniforms, single s. Watch, here the word is end with ch, so we add es. Watches. Near dress, so here s, the word is end with ss, so we add es. Dresses. I hope this question is clear to you, students. Now let's do the question 3. Choose the correct form of the naming word to complete the sentences. So you have to choose the correct option. First, Dad has packed 2 dash in the lunch box. Sandwiches. So what we add here? 2 sandwiches होता है या sandwich होता है. Here this is the correct option. Why? Because the word is end with ch. So when we add when there is a ch in the end of the word, we add es. So it is a correct option. Next one. The girls wore beautiful dash to a party. Which option is correct? Dresses. Which is correct? This one, dresses. Because here where the word end with ss, we add es in the end of the word, dresses. It is a correct option. Next one, color the picture with different crayons. Which one is correct? This crayons is correct. Why? Because the ending letter is n, single hai, n. So we add only s in the end of the crayon. So crayons. Next one, there is question number 4. Rewrite the sentences and correct the naming words. You have to do this in your notebook. Answer 4. So you have, there is a, it is not correct. You have to correct this and correct these sentences. Okay, and rewrite them. So A part. This is a pair of sock. No, pair है तो 2 है. So this is a pair of socks. S add करेंगे यहाँ पे socks. Not a pair of shoes. We add s in the end of socks. shoes, shoots. So you have to write down this in your notebook. Next, there is a B part. Dad forgot to buy tomatoes and onions. Here tomatoes is wrong, we add es in the end of the o. Tomatoes and onions में आप s add करोगे. Okay, I hope it is clear to you. There is C part. I have many doll and 2 doll house. many आ गया तो यहाँ पे dolls हो जाएगा. many तो dolls होती हैं. and 2 doll houses s हो जाएगा. 2 है ना doll houses तो houses. dolls और houses. I hope question 4 is clear to you. There is question 5. What do you see in the picture? Here is a picture. What do you see in the picture? Write 2 sentences. Use plural naming words, and you have to use plural naming words. So what do you see in this picture? So I see a girl and a boy with their father. Next one. What do you see in this picture? I see tomatoes here. I see tomatoes here. So you have to write down I see tomatoes. I see chilies. यहाँ पे देखो, यहाँ पे chilies भी हैं, यहाँ पे tomatoes हैं. So I see tomatoes. I see chilies. Okay. Tomatoes are plural. Chilies are plural. So you have to complete this question. I hope it is clear to you. There is question 6. Write a sentence using the plural form of each of these words. You have to choose the plural form and make the sentences. So यहाँ पे banana है, banana का plural क्या हो जाएगा? Bananas. So you have to make the word with the bananas. Sorry, make sentence with the bananas. So monkeys love bananas. Monkeys love bananas. There is question A part. No, this is the sentence for A part. Next, glass. Glass का plural क्या रहेगा? Glasses. So I have 3 glasses. या फिर I drink 3 glasses of water. Next one, bunch. यहाँ पे एंड विथ च है तो bunches es के साथ एड प्लूरल बनाएंगे, bunches. So Ram plucked 3 bunches of grapes. I hope question 6 is clear to you. So students, after watching this video, you have to complete these practice questions. Okay. So students, thank you for watching this video. Watch it carefully. After that, you have to complete these questions. Bye bye students. Have a nice day. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.